Welcome to Maple Ridge Studios WordPress tutorial, Part 2, Login and Overview. I'm Pamela, Senior Virtual Technical Education Communications Assistant for Maple Ridge Studio, UK Division. I will be your guide for this part of the tutorial. At the end of Part 1, my colleague, Paul, had registered us on the website sbmsi.ca. In this part of the tutorials we will log into the website and get an overview of what is in the back end of a WordPress website. First, we will go to our email and look for the email from the website to obtain the password for the website. You will notice that the password is a combination of letters and numbers that would be very difficult to memorize. You can either write down the password and type it into the password box on the login screen, or you can highlight it by holding down your left mouse button and dragging the cursor across the password text. Then, if you press the right mouse button, you will see a drop-down menu. If you click on the word copy in that drop-down menu, you will have copied the password to your clipboard. You can then paste the password into the password box on the login screen. So, let's do that now. First, type the username that you chose in the username box. Now place the cursor over the password box on the login screen. Press the right mouse button. A drop-down menu appears. Move your cursor down the drop-down menu and click on the word paste with the left mouse button. If you have done this correctly, a row of asterisks will appear in the password box. That is your password, hidden from prying eyes. Then, click the login button with the left mouse button. If the username and password have been entered correctly, we will arrive at the dashboard for the back end of the website. The first screen you will see will have a message suggesting that you change the password to something a little more easily remembered. Click on the message. That will take you to the profile screen, where you can change your password. Find the password box on your screen by scrolling up or down if necessary. You should be aware that the password should be carefully chosen to ensure that it is not easily guessed. When you type your password into the password box, there will be an indicator of the strength of the password. You should use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers and some special characters such as the $sign, number sign, %sign, dash, etc. Click on the top password box with the left mouse button and type in your password. Now move to the Repeat New Password box and type the same password again. Once you have entered your new password and typed it again in the Repeat New Password box, you can click the Update Profile button at the bottom left of the screen. You might want to look around this profile screen a bit to familiarize yourself with the options that are there. At this time I will only mention a couple of things of which you should be aware. First, right at the top of the page there is a checkbox to disable the visual editor when writing. Do not check that box because you will be using the visual editor to write your posts. You can also change and add information about yourself on this page. You cannot change the username, but you can change your first name, last name, nickname, and display name. The display name is what is attached to your posts to indicate who wrote the post. You could also change your email address, but keep in mind that you must have access to the email address you list here in order to get messages from the website, the most important of which would be in the event that you have lost or forgotten your password. To reset a lost password, a message is sent to you at the email address specified here. For now, Let's leave it at that and move over to the navigation sidebar on the left. It contains the location of the various parts of the website that you are permitted to access. Users are given various levels of access depending upon their needs, knowledge, abilities, etc. In the beginning, we will have very limited access, mainly to keep things simple, but also because some of the things that could be done at more advanced levels could make a mess of the website, so the website administrator wants to be sure that anyone given a higher levels of access is capable of using it properly. Note that for some sites the navigation is a bar at the top of your screen with the drop-down menus. In our case it is a left sidebar. Let's look at the options. The first item is the dashboard. This is where you will land when you log in. This page gives you information about what is on the website, including a list of the pages, posts, comments, etc. The items in blue are those that you are authorized to access. The next item below is the Posts drop-down menu. If you hover your mouse over the Posts item, you will see a drop-down menu that lists all posts and Add New. The All Posts simply lists the pages that exist on the website, and the Add New button will bring up a screen that allows you to add a new page to the website. The next item is Media. There you will see a list related to media that is or could be displayed on the website. At this point we will not be concerned with this item. Below it is the Pages drop-down menu. If you hover your mouse over the Pages item, you will see a drop-down menu that lists all pages and Add New. The All Pages simply lists the pages that exist on the website, and the Add New button will bring up a screen that allows you to add a new page to the website. Next is Comments. There you can access any comments that have been made by viewers. There are none so far. The next item to the right is your profile. That is where you were when you changed your password. You of course can go there to add or change your biographical information or password, etc. We then have Tools. This is an advanced menu item which we will ignore for the present. The last item in your navigation list is Gallery. Here you have a number of options. The main ones that you will be dealing with are the Add Gallery/Images and Manage Gallery. You will use them if you create a gallery page for the website. That is it for the quick tour of the back end of this website. To log out, you hover the mouse over the message in the top right-hand corner of the screen, where it says Howdy followed by your username. Do not just click on the Howdy message. If you do, you'll end up back in your profile. Instead, move your mouse cursor down to the words Logout and click. You will then find yourself at your starting point, the login screen. Here we will end part 2 of our tutorial. In part 3 we will create and publish your first post. Bye for now.